In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M31s, and let me show you some of the secret codes that you can use on this device. So at first you need to open your phone reader, and this is the place where we'll be entering those codes. Let's start with the first one, super short and very useful. It is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see, this one will provide you with unique numbers assigned to your device, such as email or serial number. Tap on OK to go back. This is it. That will be all for this first code. Let's go to the second one, which is *pound 2663 pound. And as you can see here, you can check firmware version of your device. You can smoothly scroll down and check every detail you need to know. And that will be all for this one. Let me go back. And another code that you can enter. This one is pretty easy. It's *pound 1234 pound at the end. And here you can check firmware version of your device. Here you've got all numbers, the essential numbers that you need to know once providing some info regarding your Samsung Galaxy M31s. And now, that will be my favorite code and also favorite mode. We will open test menu, and the code for it is *pound or *pound. And as you can see here, you can test all the features in your device. And for example, if you want to check the speaker, smoothly mark it. And if it's working properly, okay, I went to different mode. But if it's working properly, it's enough to just mark the speaker again. Then once you want to check display, you can click on black. If it's working properly, tap on your home on your power button. You can also check blue or green colors in your device, but to go back from those colors, you just need to click on the screen once. And as you can see, they are working properly. Then you can also check the receiver. And it's working good as well, so just tap once to go back. And then you can pick whichever test you want to perform, smoothly mark it and perform it the same way as we did it previously. So this is it, let's go back. And another code that you can use here is *pound or 228 pounds. And this is the battery status, so you can smoothly and easily check the status of your battery. And here you've got the current value, label block, and so on. So just enter this code, and here you've got all details. And the last code that I would like to show you is the service mode, and the code for that is *pound 268 3662 and pound at the end. And here you've got the service mode. If you tap on more icon, you can reach some further details. And this is it, that will be all. These are codes that you can use in your Samsung Galaxy M31s. Enjoy and use them as often as you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.